Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be taking examples on standard formulas and the 5 properties which I've taken. So if you have not seen my previous video for the standard formulas and the properties, so please go back to my previous video and check them. In the first video I've taken standard formulas where I've discussed the list of formulas. All the formulas I've discussed. These are the formulas which I've discussed. And in the next video I've discussed about the properties. There are 5 property cases. So in this particular video I am taking the first sum is cos 3k plus 2. Now this is just an example. I will teach the sums of properties and standard formulas later, but first we'll look into this example so that you will understand that how to solve the sums of Z transform. So over here the question what is given is cos 3k plus 2. So it is like cos a plus b. So we can put this formula. Now in this is what we have to do is exactly we have to take the Z transform of cos 3k plus 2. So the Z transform will be, we will put this formula, that is Z transform of the formula will be cos a. Now this is a and this is b. So cos a is cos 3k plus cos 2 minus sin 3k plus sin 2. So now we can remove the Z transform of this. So now we'll see the formula sheet. Over here we have cos 3k. Now if you see this, it is cos alpha k. Now alpha over here is 3. Now this is the formula. The same formula we can put over here. That is, it will become, now if you see this formula, this I'll be using over here. So cos 3k, the Z transform will be Z square minus Z cos 3 upon Z square minus 2Z cos alpha plus 1. So we will write cos plus 1, and then this cos 2 we can write outside, minus now sin 3k. Now what we will write over here is the formula is Z sin 3 upon Z square minus 2Z cos 3 plus 1. Then you can look into this formula over here which I've taken in previous video. It is cos alpha k and sin alpha k. These are the two formulas which I'm using. Now for suppose in our sum over here, this is cos. In the place of cos, if we have cos h, that is I hyperbolic, then we have to use these both formulas, that are this both. So if we take the Z transform, this is actually the direct Z transform of the following sums. For example, if we want a direct Z transform of cos h 3k, so then in the place of alpha we have to just put 3 and write the same formula. So now what we will do is, now we have a denominator same over here, so we can write it together and we can multiply this cos 2 with per term, that is Z square into cos 2 minus Z cos 3. Now minus over here we have sin 2. So sin 2 multiplied by this will be Z sin 3 into sin 2 upon, we have a common denominator, that is Z square minus 2Z cos 3 plus 1. So now this is the final answer. Now like this only sums we have to solve. These are very simple sums. We have to just know the formulas. We have to learn the standard list of formulas, because these are the only things that will be used in the sum. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I'll be uploading videos every Monday to Saturday. So stay tuned until next one. Thank you.